Hello friends. In this video I'm going to talk about three functions. This is count, counter and COUNTBLANK. I just want to show you how these functions work and how they relate. You see, this is count, counter, COUNTBLANK. They just look the same, and in the next video we'll just see how COUNTIF and COUNTIFs just relate. Let me just use this data that I have here. You see I have a data and show you how you can just use it count and COUNTBLANK. In most of the work that we just do in Excel, we just sometimes meet where you can just count the values that we have in our data, or to count all data that we have in our Excel sheet, or we just need to know how many blanks that are there in our worksheet. Let me just go and start with count function. As usual, we just write a functional formula by just starting by typing equal sign, and let me just type count. I open parentheses, and here I select the range of value. I'm just going to select the range from here to here. Let me just stop here on this cell of 36. This is B7. And here cross parentheses and I hit enter. You see here I just have 3. And let me now use counter. This is counter. I open parentheses and I do the same. I select the range. This is the range that I'm just using, and I cross parentheses, I hit enter. You see now we have 5. And now let me just go and type COUNTBLANK. Whether you type it in the small letter or capital letter, doesn't matter. And COUNTBLANK. I open parentheses and I just select the range from here to here, and I hit enter. You see I have 1. What does this mean? Count function just deal with only the numeric values. You see only numbers, the cells that containing the numbers, the numerical values will just be counted by this count function. You see here I have this one, this one, and this one. I only have 3 cells with numbers, with numeric values. And you can just count how many cells do I have with numbers or numeric values. And this function is very important. While the function counter will just count all cells that are containing data, whether the data are numeric or are text. This counter will just count. Let me just put here A. If I put here A, you see counter is going to be 6, and here I've seen also COUNTBLANK is changing. And now let me just Control Z to undo, and I still have 5. And guys, let me now just talk about COUNTBLANK. Sometimes you have data and you just want to count how many blanks that are there, and you have a very a sheet that is full. We have a sheet with different data, and there are also blanks, and you just want to know how many blanks do I have in my sheet. You have to use the COUNTBLANK. Here you see you have only one blank, and this blank can be removed anytime you put data here. Let me just put 0. 0 is data, and you see your count is increasing also, and counter, because 0 is a numeric value. Let me clean this. Let me just put click on backspace on my keyboard. You can see counter now here is 0. Why? Because here a blank space is considered as a value. And here you see once you just see on the counter function, here you see that have been now increased, and we have now 6, because here there is a blank. There is I just have clicked on a backspace. Make sure that the blank is blank without just clicking on blank on the backspace. Guys, this is how we can just use count and COUNTBLANK in just while working with your data. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video and keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.